This is an unboxing of the Taotronics Bluetooth receiver. It's basically, you can plug it into your car stereo or headphones so that you can send a Bluetooth, send music to it via Bluetooth. So if your car stereo has only got the aux input, you can use this to stream music from your phone via Bluetooth to your car radio. So I'm just opening the box, show you what's inside. I ordered this off Amazon. I think it was about £13–14. I've included the link in the description below. So there's the unit itself. Just open the wrapper. I think it comes with a little sticky, so you can use that to stick it to your dashboard or near your car stereo. So that's quite useful. It's feels like a magnet, so it's I guess it's a sticky magnet. So some you might be able to stick it to metal or something. Inside the box we have a 3.5mm jack, so I guess that can go in there, and you can plug that into the aux input on your car. Got an 18-month warranty. Another aux, so I suppose you could stick it straight in. You got your charge point on the bottom, which is micro USB. Play, pause, skip, I guess that's volume up and down, and also the micro USB to charge the Bluetooth receiver. On the Amazon description it says you can have up to 15 hours on the battery. Oh, and there's the instruction manual as well. So I guess it just shows you how to set it up and everything. Yeah, haven't tried it yet, I just unwrapped it, but I'll probably use it with this connection. I've read some reviews where people have attached their headphones directly into here, so it then essentially turns a normal set of headphones into a Bluetooth set of headphones. Haven't tried that myself just yet, but I'll give that a go as well, because I've got a pair of headphones that I like to use, but unfortunately they're not Bluetooth, so that'd be cool if that works. But yeah, I'll just probably use it like this, or that bit further down, attached to the dashboard, and then plugged in to the car stereo with this one. So yeah, that's my unboxing video of the Taotronics Bluetooth receiver from Amazon, wireless receiver. I think you can do it wireless or Bluetooth. Yeah, so check out the link if you want any more information, or read any other reviews. There's about 1,000 reviews on there, so it's not expensive. I think it was £13, £14, something like this. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching my video. And here it is.